Good morning, guys. Dean the Picker here. So, what I have today is this Master Lock number 5. This is for Ghosted's 100 challenge, 100 sub giveaway. The premise behind his giveaway is pick a lock and then pick the same lock you had on camera before to see if you can pick it faster than you did last time. So I've picked this, I put this lock on camera and I picked it with a snake rake. I opened it pretty quick, but I want to see if I can open it faster. SPP in it. So go in, standard hook. Zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Should be pretty good, huh? Let's load the lock. Put it in the vise. Clamp down. Zoom in just a little bit more. Pick her up. That's pretty good. Okay, in the bottom of the tension keyway. Let's see if I can get this thing open. Okay, so this is for Ghosted's 100 giveaway. Here we go. See if I can get it faster than I did with the rake. And boom, we got that open. That was just way too easy. Stupid Master Locks are. But Ghosted's giveaway. Now, stock lock Sunday part. I'm gonna pick this Master Lock, 40mm. No key. My buddy let me have it. He gave it to me. It was laying in the bottom of his tools. Let's see here. Let's bottom of the keyway on this one. Let's see if we can SPP this one. Never picked this one on camera yet. I've never really even played with this one. So, a lot of crunching in there. I think it's the warding. Oh, open that too. Just that easy, guys. Man, got it open. Okay, so, well, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. I've been playing around with these metal bands for air conditioners. Got a grinder, and I've been making my own little picks, knives, and stuff like that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Till next week, Dean the Picker.